field reporter from travelthecanyon.com, and today I'm at the Rotary Nature Trails in Hope, British Columbia. And right now I'm just checking out this cool log jam of driftwood and logs on the Coquihalla River just before the confluence of the Fraser. And I'm out geocaching today, and we're going to go find some really cool geocaches around here and have some fun. So let's go check it out. Meter away. Oh, I think I found it. Here it is. Well, that was a cool cache. Also a cool location on the Rotary Nature Trails. This is the Coquihalla River, and right across over there is the beautiful Hope Golf and Country Club. Beaver chewed wood. Found another cache. This one's a cool spot too. What a cool little stump log cave. Brings you right to the river. Wow. The nature trails are really cool. There's lots of funky trees and stumps and all sorts of neat nature things, and wildlife, beautiful birds, and salmon spawning at the right time of year. It's right on the Fraser River, and it's on the Coquihalla River at the confluence of both, and it's a great place to go. Take your dog for a walk or go geocaching. I'm Riley Foreman from travelthecanyon.com. Thanks for coming out.
He's a big 2-year-old. He doesn't realize it.